Hello guys, welcome to the 45th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use Bing Image and Video Search API. Here I have downloaded NuGet packages for image and video search and added those in our helper. Let us copy method signature and change the name to Search Image Async. Create an instance of Image Search API. Here we need to give the fully qualified name because this class is present in image, web and video namespace. Like the web, by using image.searchAsync method, we can search images. If we got any result, then display the informative message. Here I am passing query. Create a new message. Change layout to the carousel. Let us loop through each result. Create hero card. Set title. And set content URL in the image. And add a button for view image with content URL. Add this hero card to message attachment. And send this message using context. Let us update our dialog. And run the project. Select image search. Let us search dogs. Here we got images of dogs. Let us try with another query. Cars. Here we got images of cars. Search Async method takes several parameters. For example, image type has line and image aspect will be square. Save the file and test this. Let us search for cars again. Here we got a different result from previous one. All images are square and all are line drawing instead of cars photo. Now I am going to add video search. Let us copy method of image search. Change name and use video search. Here I will display top 3 videos. In hero card for image, we need to use thumbnail URL. And update dialog too. Save all the files and run it. Select video search, enter Doraemon. Here we got 3 cards containing a thumbnail image of Doraemon. Let us open any one. It is open in YouTube. Like image and web search, video search takes several parameters such as length and freshness. Save it and check result. Start a new conversation. Use the same query. Here we got different thumbnail images. Let us see what we have learned in this session. To perform image search, we need to use search.imageSearch and you get package. Create an instance of Image Search API and using search async method, retrieve the result. Loop through each result and display it as a hero card. Here we see image type and aspect parameter for search async method. Here is video search example. It is similar to image search. Here we have used search.videosearch and you get package and create client of video search API. Here we see length and freshness parameters for search async method. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.